Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, this is Thursday when we are recording. You will see this by Friday. And on Tuesday of this week, a couple of days ago, the market experienced extreme volatility. Gold witnessed a $300 drop from low to high, a trading range of $300 that single day. And silver fluctuated $5, $5 from low to high that single day. You see, if you, in a market like this that is absolutely magnificent, act in a reckless manner, you will lose money. It's as simple as that. You need a dose of common sense, money management, a little bit of mathematics with your technicals, a dose of fundamentals, and patience to make proper decisions. Since everybody today has a keyboard and they write whatever they want to write, with experience or without experience, they made the statement that it was profit taking. And there was some profit taking, but there was more panic selling than profit taking. There is some behavior that is costly in a market that should bring you pleasure, profit potential, if you do things with a degree of patience. How you act at this point in time, and do you allow the market to give you the opportunities, or do you want to force the opportunity on the market? That's your choice. But unless we learn to look at information carefully, decipher information, and make our decisions at the proper time, basis what the market is offering, not imposing our will on the market, that changes everything. So I've discussed this on various occasions recently. Let's enjoy these markets. I continue to look at the pricing, and I go back and I think of what occurred in 2011, the last significant rally in the metals, and I look at the percentages. And as I mentioned last week on the video, that gold continues to lead, and it does. But when I actually went back and looked at these specifics, basis the price peaks that we all enjoyed back in 2011, hopefully, silver has surpassed those highs from back in those days by 7 to 8%. And to prove the point that gold continues to lead, gold has surpassed its 2011 peak by over 120%. So, folks, mathematically, what does this mean? And let's also keep in mind, it's obvious then that silver is substantially undervalued as of this conversation, even at current pricing. Significantly undervalued in comparison to gold. I think the potential over the next couple of years is it's magnificent. The opportunities are endless. If you allow yourself, if you allow the opportunity to enter and exit markets rationally, basis what that market is offering, I think you will fare quite well. But we are in a market environment, specifically in silver, that offers incredible potential over the next couple of years. Remember that recently silver has been added to the critical minerals list. However, the formality of that process, I believe, becomes finalized somewhere around December. Nevertheless, this is a different way of looking at silver. It is now truly an essential metal in regards to the way we live today and our needs that we have in the marketplace today. Contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.